Have you ever been puzzled by JavaScript and its quirks? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common question about object destructuring and why a property named name is cast to a string. I totally get it. JavaScript can be tricky, especially when it comes to understanding how variables are treated differently based on how they are declared. You're definitely not the only one scratching your head over this. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, why is the property name cast to a string when using var and object destructuring assignment? They provided some code that shows this unexpected behavior. Let's take a closer look. To understand this, we need to look at how JavaScript handles variable declarations. When you use var, the variable is hoisted and can lead to unexpected type coercion. This is different from let and const, which behave more predictably. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a tip on how to avoid these kinds of issues in your code. To understand why the property name is cast to a string when using var and object destructuring, let's first look at the example provided. The user has an object with a property called name that holds a number. When the user destructures this object using var, they assign the property name to a variable also called name. This is where the unexpected behavior occurs. The console output shows that the value of name is 1, but the type is string. This happens because var creates a variable in the global scope, which can lead to type coercion. In contrast, when using let or const for destructuring, the variable name retains its original type as a number. This is because let and const create block-scoped variables. To avoid this unexpected result, the user can define a different identifier during destructuring. This way, they can prevent any conflicts with the global name variable. Fun fact, JavaScript was created in just 10 days. Imagine coding something that would become a cornerstone of web development in such a short time. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that the behavior of the name property being cast to a string is due to the scope of execution. When using var, name refers to the window.name property, which automatically converts values to strings. In contrast, let and const create block-scoped variables that do not affect the window object. In local scope, both var and let will refer to a local variable, avoiding the string conversion issue. This distinction is crucial for understanding how variable declarations behave differently based on their scope. Here's the tip I promised. Always be mindful of how you declare your variables in JavaScript. Using let or const can save you from unexpected type coercion issues. And there you have it. Now you understand why the name property behaves differently with var compared to let or const. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more JavaScript tips and tricks.